everyone, I am Kanchan. Here I am presenting my project Business Insight 360. So first let me tell you about the agenda of this video. First I tell you about the company, then explain its business model, then problem statement and objective, then I walk you through the dashboard, and at last I will present key insight and recommendation. Atlic Hardware is a leading consumer electronic brand specializing in selling a wide range of hardware products including personal computer and its peripheral across the globe. It also provides high quality and innovative technology solutions to meet the diverse needs of the consumer. Currently, it present on two platforms. First is brick and mortar and second is e-commerce. Company operates its business through three distribution channels. First is retailer, which include all e-commerce and second is direct, which include Atlic Hardware own store, and the third is distributor. In countries like China and North Korea, company cannot directly sell to the customer, so they sell their product to the large distributor that is Neptune. Now moves to problem statement. Atlic Hardware is a fast-growing company which recently established its own store in Latin America, but they face a huge loss due to the decision based on just service and intuition. They also rely on Excel for the data analytics, and as all we know, when we have a large data set, working on Excel can be cumbersome task and also ineffective for generating insight. So, as a data analyst of the company, my task is to generate a comprehensive report using advanced capabilities of Power BI to gain the deep insight into operational performance and also identify opportunities for profit and loss reduction. So this is the data model. I have used Snowflake schema for this project. So first I integrate the SQL database into my Power BI, and later on I also added some Excel. This is the home page of my dashboard. Here the last sales data available for this report is December 2021. Here you can click on any icon to directly navigate on that page. So first let's explore the finance view. So this is the finance view, which majorly focus on KPIs such as gross margin, net sales, and net profit percentage. Here I track net sales performance over the time, which shows the consistently growth except in the March 2020. Here you can see that there is a downfall in the net sales. This is the profit and loss statement, which is important for any company as it gives the overview of the financial performance of the company. And on that basis, company take its major decision like budgeting, investment, and resource allocation. This chart shows the top and bottom product and customer. You can here filter out by a category wise or a region wise. So now move to our next view. In sales view, I focus on customer and product analysis and unit economics. In this chart, you can switch between product and customer to see the net sales, gross margin, and gross margin percentage. Here I also added the tooltip so that we can get the detailed information about that particular product or a customer. In this chart, you can compare which product and which region are how much percent below the targeted value. So if I select the 7%, so these are the products that are 7% below the targeted value. This donut chart shows the distribution of pre-invoice and post-invoice deduction, which sum up to 50%. And the inner donut chart is the split between gross margin and total costs, which is that is cost of goods sold, which is 62%, again, which is very high. So the company need to cut it down in the near future. Here I also added the two buttons on each page, info and support. So you can click on the info icon to get the general information about the company, and for more FAQ you can click here. And here is also a support button with have some options, so you can provide any feedback, and if you want to read about the business term that I use in this project, so you can click here, and if you want to explore the Power BI features, you can click here. Now move to next view, that is marketing view. This is the market view. In the market view, I mainly focus on product. In this chart, I have added the button to switch between the segment and market, and further region and market wise. So first, check the segment wise performance. So you can see that currently all the segments are faces losses. Now check the performance market wise. So the only Europe region is in profit and all other regions are in losses. And we can also compare the country wise performance. So here we can see that which countries are in profit and which countries are in losses, and accordingly we can take decision. This chart dynamically changes according to what we select here. So we can also compare here gross margin and net profit wise. This chart shows the very high gross margin, but due to very high operational cost, the net profit is in loss. So in the initial year of the establishment of the company, the operational cost may be high, but over the years, the company need to cut it down to get the profitable. Now let's move to the next view, that is supply chain view. In supply chain view, I mainly focus on KPIs such as forecast accuracy, net error, and absolute error, which measure how accurate the company predicts its demand as compared to actual sales. This chart shows the accuracy trend over the years, which reveal that it has consistently growing over the year except in the year 2020. And these two charts show the which customer and product has the situation of out of stock and the excess inventory along with their forecast accuracy percentage. So now let's move to next view, that is executive view. In executive view, I tailor the analysis to meet the needs of top level management who are majorly concerned with the overall performance of the business. This chart compare the revenue contribution division wise and channel wise. Among all the three channels, retailer has generated the maximum revenue. And this is a ribbon chart showing the market share. So here we can see that in the year 2019, Atlic Hardware is nowhere in the competition, but in the year 2020-22, it ranks 5 with the overall 5.9 market share. These two charts show the top customer and top products. So customer wise, Amazon, Atlic Exclusive, and Atlic eStore are the top three customers who generated the revenue. And this chart shows the region wise performance. So in terms of revenue contribution, North America and India are the top two regions, and in terms of market share, uh, South Europe has the rank the first in terms of market share. So now let's back to the PPT. Let's discuss some key insight. The gross margin of the company increased by 1.5%, and the net profit was also improved in the year 2022 as compared to 2021. The APAC region, that is Asia Pacific region, top among the all region in terms of net sale, while the USA ranked highest in net sale on a country-wise performance. Atlic Exclusive, Amazon, and Atlic eStore were the top three contributors to the net sale for the Atlic hardware. Here I also have some recommendation to the company. As we saw on the dashboard that the company giving a huge discount to the customer, so the company should renegotiate with the customer and focus on offering high quality product instead of relying on a substantial discount. And the next recommendation is that in the networking segment, the Wi-Fi extender product is incurring a loss. So the company should contact the product manager to identify and address the underlying issue. The next recommendation is that to address losses in Brazil, company can connect with the regional head to discuss the competitive strategies and focus on strengthening marketing efforts to improve the brand positioning and the customer engagement. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you for watching till the end. And if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section regarding my dashboard or presentation.